welcome to Sunlight Auto. We have a beautiful sunny day in another gorgeous truck. This is a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat, two-tone color, brown, gorgeous truck with only 80,000 miles, lifted, look at that, 4x4, blind spot, parking sensors, backup camera, running boards. Let me show you the inside. Beige interior, panoramic sunroof. Look at that. Gorgeous. Expensive LED lights. This truck has a 5.0 V8 Coyote engine. Gorgeous truck. Two-tone, lifted. And there you go.